As you say yes to life, life says yes to you. Do you know the universe always answers yes to everything you put out there? Everything you put out there for, everything you radiate, everything that your frequency already is. This is why it's super important to be aware when your vibration is in need or lack. And what that means is you're feeling the need for something in a relationship, in life itself, in your health, in your existence itself. So this means if you need a hug from your partner, if you need more money, if you need more happiness, if you need a new job, all of these things are putting out simply that you are requesting the need, not the actual thing. Just like when you are in the focusing on what you don't want, like the lack energy, I don't have enough money, I'm not enough, I am unlucky in love, where is my new partner? These kind of things. It's lack energy, very similar to need energy. And when you're in that vibration, you simply attract more of the same, like any vibration. And how do you get out of this fast? Well, the fastest way to raise your vibration and get into that abundant energy, abundant of goodness, attracting everything you want effortlessly and easily, how do you do it? Appreciate. Simply be grateful for what is. Come into that appreciation mode of what's around you, of what you've had, of what you're actually wanting to manifest, what you want in your life. Like act like you already have it and that you already appreciate it. Because really, everything you want in your life is to get a feeling. So if you can articulate what is the feeling you want from the thing you want or the thing you need, what is that feeling? Now manifest that feeling within yourself. Simply think of things that already help you get that feeling. And you, my friend, will be allowing life to be gifted to you effortlessly. Abundance will flow in ways you didn't even imagine it could. Know or imagine, that is. Therefore, we suggest simply focus on what you have and be appreciative of what is, not being focused on what's not going right, not having too much expectation and avoiding assumptions. These things block us. They hold us back from really having an effortless, easy, happy, abundant life. So there you have it. Be aware of the vibration of need. Be aware of the vibration of lack. Simply get into what you're hoping to have. Feel it now, and it will present much faster than any other means. Thank you.